Welcome. So today in the section of quadratic equation, we're going to be looking at solving quadratic equation using formula method. Now, general quadratic formula for solving a quadratic equation using that method is known as minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac. Notice this square root is covering everything. All over up to the b side 2a. So this is the general formula, the quadratic formula that is used to solve the quadratic equation. We have done two other ones. We have done using the completing the square method, and we have done by factorization. So now let's solve this question. It says, use the quadratic formula to find the root of ax squared minus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. As I always say, identify your a, your b, and your c. So now remember that the general formula is what? Ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So from here, what is your a? If you try to relate this to this, our a is 1, right? Then our b, relating with x, our b is what? Minus 4, and our c is 3. So now by formula method, we're going to substitute into this formula. So we're going to substitute our a, b, and c into this formula. So now let's go. So we have our minus b is what? Minus 4, right? Plus or minus the square root. Square root covers everything. B squared is what? Minus 4. It's minus 4. Our b is minus 4. Minus 4. Plus my square of b squared, which is minus 4 squared. Plus minus 4. Our a is what? 1 times our c is what? 3. Remember this square root sign is covering everything. All over. 2 times our a is what? 1. Okay? So let's proceed from here. So we have this now to be minus, we cancel minus when you open the bracket. We have this now to be 4, right? Plus or minus the square root of minus 4 squared. That's minus 4 times minus 4 is 16. 16 minus 4 times 1 times 2, that's 4 times 3 is 12. All over 2a, 2. So we have this to be 4 plus or minus the square root of 16 minus 12 is what? 4 all over 2. So that means our roots are now going to be 4 plus or minus 2 all over 2. So you can easily find the square root of 4, which is 2. 2 all over 2. Therefore, our roots are now going to be either 4 plus 2 all over 2, making it 6 all over 2, which is 3, or, right? 4 minus 2 all over 2, making it 2 all over 2, which is equal to 1. So it means our roots are what? 3 and 1. So this plus or minus was what informed us with either 4 plus 2 or 4 minus 2.